Hey everyone, welcome to FixSoft. In this guide, we'll walk through how to run latest version of Python in VS Code. The process is simple. First, we will install Python. After that, we will install VS Code. After that, we have connect both of them, so you can run your first Python program inside the editor. First, we have to install VS Code. Open your browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Open the first official site. This is official website of VS Code. Now click on Download for Windows button. A new page will open, and the setup file will start downloading. Now wait until the download finishes. When the download completes, open the file. Accept the agreement and proceed through the setup screens. Keep the default installation path. It will take around 500 megabytes of space. Click Next. You can choose to create a desktop shortcut if you want. Leave all other settings as it is and click Next. Continue to the summary and start the installation. Once it finishes, close the setup. Our Visual Studio is installed. Now, we will install Python, but if your PC is missing Microsoft Visual C++, then the installation of Python will not complete. So, let's install Visual C++ first. Open your browser and search for Visual C++. Open this website. Now scroll down to the versions section. Here, click on this first link. Now click on 64-bit download link. When the download finishes, open the setup file. Accept the terms and start the installation. Now close the setup. Our Visual C++ has successfully installed. Now it's time to install Python. Open your browser and search for Python. Open the first website. This is official website of Python. Hover over the Downloads menu and select the current version. The installer will begin downloading. Once it finishes, open the file. In the installer, enable the option to use admin privileges and also check the box to add Python to the system path. Then choose Customize Installation. You'll see optional features, including pip, which manages Python packages, and IDLE, which is a simple Python IDE. Leave everything as it is and continue. In the Advanced Options screen, select the option to install Python for all users and keep other things as it is. Keep the default installation location and begin the installation. Now, wait until installation finishes. When installation is done, close the setup. Now, let's verify the installation of Python. Go to Start menu and search for CMD, and open the command prompt. Here, type this command and press Enter. If the version appears, it means Python is installed correctly. Now, we will set up Python inside VS Code. Open Visual Studio. Go to Explorer tab. Here, choose Open Folder. Now go to your desktop. Here, create a new folder and name it something you like and select it. Then click on New File icon, or right-click here and create a new file inside the folder. Name it something like Demo. Then add .py at the end. This tells VS Code that it's a Python file, and press Enter. Now, go to Extensions tab. Here, search for Python. Open the first one. Click on Install to start installation. When installation is done, go back to Main tab. Add a simple test program. For example, I will print my channel name. After writing the code, save all files. Now, right-click inside the editor and click Run Code. Then choose Run Python File in Terminal. You'll see the output at the bottom of the screen, confirming that your Python program ran successfully from VS Code. So that's it. We have successfully run Python in Visual Studio Code on Windows 11.